What the fuck?
So, guess what going on now? Your guzo nah work LA. I'm gonna show people the vibes. Watch out, brother.
Don't me again, some make us a dead. I put a long or short here. Shot gun and blood clot here. We not a half here. Let it up a long talk here. No, I'm military war here. I saw a rifle sniper on top of roof. Skin from a fart here. Dead in your launch here. Think a spider bite your arm like and strike you when you drop here. That was the last year. Let me tell you about bad man on the street. Bad man on the street. Not gonna see.
One more to Ellen.
Your lads, I'm not saying you don't know. Ellen, Lewis, man in that place. Let's come represent the medical time. Spanish town, the big up for yourself. The whole Mountain View. Done.
Alright, people, you see time fly by, right? Alright, watching now. LA Lewis. My G. I know you, know. And I know nothing against you, my brethren. See? I know you personally. And big up every time I see you. I never have a negative thing to say. Or we never have a bad vibes. But guess what I'm going to show you, my G? Guess what I'm going to show you, my G? Yeah, I make up news, Rasta. I brother, I make up news, bro. I brother, I put news in the media when it even exists in the news itself, brother. That me I try to tell you now. You believe me? LA have its own news in Jamaica. Where? That the news they don't broadcast nowhere else but by LA channel. You hear me I tell you now? Nowhere in the media I look and see not one car crash with Paula Llewelyn. I say I look around every part of Jamaica media and I can't see which part of car crash brother with Paula Llewelyn. So, it look like the man them I put together them one jambalaya, a pepper pot story about car crash because then hobby nah work. So them have to try to chew something together real fast for say boy, you know. Yeah man, it will be a work man, see that? Car crash, which part of car crash? So the man then get one called car crash picture from somewhere on the internet and put it up on video. Say car crash. I tell you say the best show man them bro, I tell you in Jamaica. Get the man them a movie set. Get the man them a proper movie set where the man them can do them thing and you can make the best Jamaican soap operas starring none other than L.A. Lewis. Remember me tell you I want a #1 star in a movie in a Jamaica. Real superstar, movie star. I tell you that. I want to give the people them opportunity. See man them have the best show them already on YouTube. Just bust one movie set at Jamaica like one Jamaica wall. You know, they have Hollywood, you can make one Jamaica wall. I don't want to wood around here. So, you make a Jamaica wall set, movie set, and put the man them on it. Make the man them shoot their movie because the man them bad. Because now, watch the Gozo man them, watch them. Watch them. They take them serious, you know. But you tell them, I hack to them, bro. I tell you, the man them is good movie, man, bro. The man them can do some soap opera and do some major shows where can go far in Jamaica, sell off of England and US. You know, must make some £100,000 and make some millions and things. Like, you know what I say? Yeah, man, Jamaica just need to stand behind anything, man. See, carry the people. See, carry what they must say crash. LA show up in one news. Say car crash. And did L.A. Lewis make Paula Llewelyn car crash? And no, look to the news. Looking at the news, go and go Google if Paula Llewelyn. Look if you see any Jamaica news. If DPP car crash, Jamaica news would have published that right. That may I tell you. One thing about Jamaica news. They now miss out on 1 cent. You understand me I say? They now miss out on a penny. So anything will happen in Jamaica, especially if you do them politicians, that are post up in a Star and Gleaner and news fast as ever. JBC, CVM, every blood not channel you can think about in Jamaica play that rotted on radio and TV. So as some get to know say LA make up news, brother. LA having own news they want build a gay social media. And people are run with it like craziest thing too. Enough of vlogger them run gone with the news say Paula Llewelyn crash and nothing no go so. So vlogger them when have some big waste man too. if you carry around vlog about news, fake news, brother. We not vlog fake news, brother. Saying? At least if we say sitting where pass already, I sitting where hall. But we not vlog fake news, brother. We not vlog things when I gossip. So we not put up about car crash, no. Brother, not carrying a crash, brother. Stop telling lie on people, brother. And too blood now wicked. I vlog out, hell not get how much views stuff. I be a lie. And people are wicked at Jamaica. I am telling some Jamaican people. The vlogger them so terrible. The man them say they run out of information for put on the media and start make new blood not news for themselves. And that me I try telling them, bro. That's why I come reason with the people and say reason with G-Terra. Cause them vlogger are terrible, bro. The man then start make fake news, bro, once they run out of information. Right now, me go Google it right in front of everybody. Me go Google it right now. Me go show all this screen more on record to right. Hold on. I only can just Google it with me. Paula Llewelyn car accident. Look for a car accident for Paula Llewelyn and see what come up. Whole thing will come up. LA News. LA Lewis, Jamaica. But car crash. Paula Llewelyn car crash. LA Lewis, a channel alone that the car crash come up on, you know. Watch out now. Let me see which other vlogger post up that rotted, which other idiot vlogger. Not one blood now Jamaican nationwide 90 FM. DPP files complaint that are from way back when that the news there. DPP meet 40 pre-roll period of life. That are from 2022. Me say you man have one piece of information in the media. We say nothing about a damn car crash with Paula. Remember me tell you that. Not one. See there? Jamaica Observer. Not one car crash. Nothing. All you can see is Paula Llewelyn falls victim to fake news. From when? So see that? She fall victim to another piece of fake news. Yo. Alright people, the proofs are right and all reasoning with G-Terra on a serious thing, you hear me? The reasoning important because if you follow them vlogger, yeah, you start listening all news when nothing no gossip, so it's just like you all fill up your brain with some story with us and make up. So I say anything if you keep entertained. But you know, it's all good people. People who are doing them, I'm telling you, the man must on show man. The man them a show man Jamaica where you know say Jamaican people are very big on entertainment. Them a show people, let me tell you know. If you don't know that by now, you're not gonna learn. Come to Jamaica, you see some things. Yeah. You're gonna learn, I'm telling you, if you don't believe it. But yeah, man, a serious thing, the man them make up the news and say my lady crashed the rotted. Just for proof say then goes to work and no say then goes not go away, you know. I don't make up news, brother. Looking at the news again. Look again. Yeah man, so as you can see right now, everywhere you look for the car crash. No go with the car crash. And say every time it come up, you say LA Lewis on YouTube, LA Lewis car crash, Paula Llewelyn, LA Lewis. LA Lewis alone post that the news there. That you see whoever follow him post that the news there, brother on some real, yeah, so on some real vlogger vlog. Yeah man, Jamaica crazy man, come here come dead with laugh, man. I tell you people them not easy at all. Right now, appear things in the US, well for distraction them a fling around. Look like P Diddy the fall guy for them people for Clive and them boy there and the top guy them were there. Sony and them big guy there and them, you know, the big fish them. Yeah man, them appear things are going on now, you know say. Yeah man, them get ready for show off Diddy right now. Diddy have to run away from a foreign. For fly out and go to Antigua or some foreign land or Cuba. I don't know where he gonna hide out. I'm gonna hide out. Because them a come for him. You see it a long time them a come for him too. I know he never left on the plane with Russell Simmons. The man should left on the plane with Russell Simmons for the last 10 years ago or whenever when Russell chip out, long time ago, then time the Puffy chip too. But he must stick around, you want to mess with some new rapper, you know? You want some new rapper for touch up before he let go. So in the day play daddy, this everybody my daddy, that and a daddy. You see it? You see? You know, say did daddy everybody did do it? Did he do it in daddy ever appear daddy and yeah man, watch him for a long time we are praying man. But anyhow people, I check on one short and slicking and you don't know a thing going on. Yeah man, born like a kangaroo. You know a thing go. Yeah man, the world sick, we have to heal it. A time for we provide some good knowledge and love to all the children and the people, them all the good vibes, laughter, joy. And just do a thing because the positivity is what we need right now. I'm telling a long time. Reasoning with G-Terra, that's all we're there for. Open up the vibes, good vibes. Reason we don't talk to one another. When I stop blow, be so controversial, man, about everything, man, and just be more more loyal and fruitful, man. You know, I'm more truthful, man, you know? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, you know, G-Terra there I represent, like me say. Yo, brother, L.A. Lewis, you know, easy at all, brother. I know me can't find a car crash news, brother. I mean, hear one thing in the news, I hear nothing on the radio. I just, you alone, me say, I say so. You know, easy, alright, did I make, yo, you know, easy. People subscribe, like, and share.